See, if you're thick-skinned and if you're not scared of anything, the constitution, the people, the values, then you are shameless, you won't resign. But we will fight. We want to get justice for that boy Santosh Patil, his wife, his children, his mother. And this 40% corruption, whatever is there in the state, has ruined the image of the state. It is not only this one department. Santosh Patil is one incident. Tomorrow you will have many more incidents like this. Pray God it should not happen.
So
But thing is, as contractor association have blamed, there are other few departments, many more departments in fact, who are engaged in this 40% commission. And our demand is to arrest him. That's the question of resignation, arrest him. He's a murderer. What used to happen in George's case? KG George's case? In the assembly, used to tell George is a Kolagadka. You are a murderer now. George came out innocent. But here now we have to see that he has to resign. If he doesn't resign, we'll get taken to the People's Court. We'll fight. And the demand, even the inquiry, what is going to happen, has to be under the supervision of the High Court sitting judge.
So apart from demand, what are your other demands from the government? Like what do you want to do apart
So
from
first, he has to be arrested. When he's arrested, naturally he has to resign. Resignation is one part. He has to be arrested, and the Chief Minister is presiding over all these matters. Probably he is scared that today it's Ishwarappa, tomorrow there will be many more ministers in the same net, as alleged by the Contractor Association.
So how intensive this protest going to be?
No,
Because
see,
last
at
time
a-
also when Ishwarappa had regarding the flag, you had protested, but
Yeah, but now we are taking this 40%, this one to the people. From day after tomorrow, we are with 7-8 groups. We are moving to all district headquarters. Thereafter, we are taking to the assembly constituencies. Then we will take it to the Hoblis to Panchayats, and educate people. This bad, corrupt government in the state has to go.
thank you, sir.